Hello folks, this is from inspiredtorise.com and today we are going to review a very extremely long aux cable. So guys, the aux cable that I got is one from Amkette. Amkette is a very well-known manufacturer of mobile accessories. These guys make a lot of cables, micro USB cable, USB type C cable, and they also make aux cables. So I would tell you one of the experiences that I had with one of their products. I had this specific model 1 meter cable. I had that one already since a long period of time, and I have used that one since maybe like 3 years. And this specific product, the 2 meter cable, this I have bought recently just for connecting my microphone to my camera. And let's just start with the unboxing for this one. So on the top of this box, the features for this cable are written. It has a gold plated connector, it has zinc alloy used, and all of that random jargon. The box says that you get lifetime warranty for this cable, and this is something that I would like to take with a pinch of salt. Though I have used a previous cable and I have used that since 3 years, never had an issue. One of the few issues that I had was that the connector itself is like a screw. It opens up at sometimes, but you can just slide it back right away and it works flawlessly. So apart from that, I didn't have major issues, and this one is a 2 meter long connector. So what can you do with a really long aux cable? In case if you are thinking why such a long cable, well, this is one of the use cases. Or you can do this, or this, or this. So guys, you saw you can do a lot of things using this aux cable. Such a long aux cable can come in handy at a wide variety of situations. And if you are out there going to buy something like this is one of those accessories that you use on a regular basis. And if you buy one of those Chinese on the road cables which are for like 100 or 200 rupees, then I would suggest you please stop buying those cables. You have to buy them every few months, and that is seriously not a good user experience. Buy once, buy a good cable, and have a great music listening experience. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome crispy videos like this. This is from inspiredtorise.com signing off folks. Stay inspired to rise.